Hello everybody. So today we're taking apart this four-cylinder engine. So for 2013 Chevy Cruz 1.4 turbo. And first of all, we'll let the oil out and we'll go from there. Let's see how the oil looks. Oh, no, it doesn't look good. There's metal in there. Yup. Yeah, I will let the oil out, and I will work on the valve cover. Take that one apart. So I wanted to take this valve cover off and see how it looks in there. See how ugly it looks. Oh, I can see some problems right here. Yeah. Well, you know what? I will take the front and, well, first of all, I will take the oil pan off. See how it looks from there. Oops. So I tried to take that oil pan off, and it puts a lot of silicone on. So I will use this if it works better. Yep, it works a lot better with that. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Nope, it does not look good. So, next, I will take the timing cover off. So first, I will take the water pump off. Or this pulley. So there's the water pump. We'll take that one off. Man. So there's a water pump, but let's see. We can take that one off. You know what? A hammer, it helps a lot. Yeah, it's very simple actually. So next, we'll take these sensors off. Or might as well take this can sensor off here, so it doesn't bother us anymore. Like that. Just grab something to grab it and take them off. Take them out. And also, a flathead screwdriver. Let me see. That works. Simple. It works good. So next, we'll take this pulley off. So I tried to use a small impact to take this bolt off, but it couldn't do it. Didn't have enough power. Let's see if this one will have it. No, the socket doesn't fit. Let me see here. Does this one fit? Yeah. If the socket doesn't quite fit, grab a hammer and just punch one. It's very simple. And then what you do is you unbolt that one. And for that, it's hard. It's on there. So you use something to pull it. Like that, and it works too. It works amazing every time. And then we'll take these bolts off. Just give me a minute. We'll take them out. And well, there's another bracket. Of course, it has to be a bracket on there. Like that. You take all these bolts out. So I took these bolts out, and I think it should come out now. No, it will not come out. There's another one here. There, now it should be good. So next, it's I think we're good. Just be careful when you want to take this off. All I do is just prime it a little bit here, and it doesn't want to work, but yeah, just prime it a little bit like that. And if it doesn't want to come out, then grab a hammer and just. It doesn't want to work either, so grab a hammer and pull it from the top. Like that. Oops. Yeah, be careful with that. So there's oil coming out, of course. It has to be. So next, I think it would be good if the bolts were all out, and then it will work better. So there's another like that. Then I think it should come out very, very easy, like that. Yeah, and just grab this one and throw it up there. So it looks wonderful so far. And yeah, next we will work on the timing. Yeah. Just be careful with these bolts too. Oops. It's okay. Just grab the spring and the cylinder. Yeah, you probably will just buy a new one, so just throw that away. And then, next, there's, well, okay. This timing looks kind of, yeah. So I took the timing chain off, and it looks disgusting, so that's how it looks. I will take these cam out. Doesn't fit. That one is loose.
What about that one?
Yeah. So this one was loose, yeah, it's totally gone. Just grab these and throw them away. Yeah, this camshaft is gone. How about this? Yeah, gone. Now, so we'll take the head off and see how it looks from in there. Let's see. So next I will take the hat off, see how it looks. Come on, baby, you can do it. 3/8 impact has a power. Yeah, up to there. So we'll grab the big one. This is not the right one. No, that one doesn't fit in there. Ooh. Okay. I will grab another socket. So now I took the bolts out. Okay. Let's see here. It doesn't look so bad. How about in here? Couple of bolts in there. That one did have play. We'll turn the motor around, see how. No, it doesn't look so good. Ooh. Yeah, okay, we'll turn it around. Remove the piston, see how it looks from there. So we'll have to move this plate. Just like that. Right there. You know, we need the light here. Right there. There. This one should be loose. Yep. Okay, now we'll remove those piston rod. Does this one fit? No. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks very normal. Look at that. Ooh, that's a lot to play. This one does have. Let's remove them. Yep. With this one, no, this one doesn't fit. So we are removing these, and they look very, very shitty. Oh my goodness. Huh. They're totally gone. Yeah, it looks like they didn't change the oil. Yep. See how that one looks. Yeah, that's the piston. Yeah, this engine is totally gone. Look at that. Okay, we'll remove the other ones. Let me see. So this is the next one. This one looks totally gone. Yeah, this one is gone. Look at that. It's not clear. It should be clear. There. Yeah, it's gone. Let me turn the motor. We'll remove those two. That one is gone. Gone, oh my goodness. How about this one? Gone. Oh, there's not even single one good. Yeah, totally gone. Look at that. Ooh, they did not change the oil. Yeah, so far I will go. So if you want my opinion about these engines from the Chevy Cruz 1.4, let me tell you one thing, they are shitty engines. I don't like them. Thanks for watching.